Hello Excel enthusiasts and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have got a fantastic tutorial for you. We will be showing you how to combine data from different columns in Excel using a simple and powerful tool that you might not have thought of, the Notepad. That's right. You will be amazed at how easily you can supercharge your data manipulation skills. So without further delay, let's dive right in.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is the data that we want to combine. The first column consists of the first name, whereas the second column contains the last name, and we want to combine them into the list of full name in the column C. You can see that it's a huge list, and if we start doing this manually, it may take a lot of time. To save our time, we will do it in a very simple and easy way. The first step is that we have to select both columns that we want to merge. For this purpose, I am going to click the cell A2 and then I will press Shift and then right arrow to select the cell B2 also. After this, I am going to press Ctrl Shift and down arrow to select the whole data in these two columns. After selecting the data, then I have to copy the data using the command Ctrl C. After this, I am going to open the Notepad by going to the Start and then All Program in the Accessories section. Now I am going to open the Notepad. For this purpose, I am going to click the Start button and then in the search bar, I will write the Notepad and you can see the first app is the Notepad. I am going to open this and here I will paste the selected data using the command Ctrl V. After pasting the data, I have to select the tab in my data. Then I have to copy the tab character to the clipboard. Now I have to press Ctrl H to open the replace dialog box and then paste the tab character from the clipboard. Here I will paste the tab character from the clipboard in the find word field and then type your separator, that is space or comma, in the replace with field. In our case, I am going to add a space to replace with field. Then I will press replace all button and after this I will press cancel to close this dialog box. Then I will press Ctrl A to select all the data in the Notepad and then press Ctrl C to copy it to the clipboard. Now again I have to switch back to my Excel worksheet and here in this file I am going to paste this in the column C by using the shortcut Ctrl V. And there you have it. You have just witnessed how Notepad can be your secret weapon for combining data in Excel. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it saves you time and effort in your spreadsheet task. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our Excel tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future video, leave a comment down below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us today and we will see you in the next video. Until then, keep excelling and keep learning.